Hi folks, Jonas Cain here for another edition of Magic Words, and today we're starting a 5-episode series on the 5 promises of love. These are the 5 things that I believe are imbued within the intention and the feeling of love. And the first promise is a big one. It is gratitude. Now this is huge, because if I say to someone that I love them, it means that I am grateful for who they are and for what they do, but also for who they were and who they want to be and for who they will be. It's for what they have done and for what they will do. But most of all, it's for how this person contributes to my life, but also the lives of those around them, which is so important, which is why it's the very first promise of love. Until next time, my name is Jonas Cain. Stay positive.